feeding. Day 2. They're officially over a day old, but not much. Very active, climbing all over. Oh my goodness. I don't know where they're going. This is them after a day. I think I got a really active brood. Give it a week or two and I'll be babysitting like crazy. Oh. Siblings, get along. Mama's doing great. Oh. Gosh, the markings are so pretty. Look at that. So pretty. Orangey. Okay, we've got Trouble and Naughty is the other dark one. We've got the big one, orange is Julius, and now the other orange is Tolly. And if it's a boy, we'll just change it to Tall. And of course, Sweetie, Mama Sweetie. Temporary names, because, you know, planning on homing them all out. And I haven't decided yet for sure if I'm going to keep Sweetie or not, because I never planned on having 3. But you know, of course after all this I want to keep her, but we'll see. We got 2 months of, when these get old enough, I'm going to have 7 cats in this house. And that is crazy. But pregnant, homeless kitten. How do you not rescue that? How do you not do something about that? She came to my porch, starving. And look at this. Can you imagine out in the wild, these little things? They deserve a chance at a good life. Look, they're too cute not to. Spay and neuter your pets, people. I mean, she was a stray, but still, you know. Cat face, cat face. Oh my goodness. So pretty, that one. God, that's a gorgeous kitten.